friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to explain about the database and how we create database in MySQL server. So what is mean by database here? So database is nothing but a set of data stored in a computer or in a database which is in organized in a structured way. If the data is in structured way, we can easily access the data. So obviously in relational database we use or we store the data in a structured way, that is in the form of tables like columns and rows. So in relation database system, so we use the SQL language to fetch the data or to retrieve the data to create a database. Hi friends. Uh, so we will see how to create a database in MySQL. So first, in order to create a MySQL, or if you want to see what are the databases which are available in the MySQL, you can use the show databases command. Show databases. So these are the databases which are currently available in the MySQL. You can also see here, this is the schema, we can call it as a schema here, and these are the databases available in the MySQL. So let's create a database. Create database. So database name I want to give as tech with Srini, so you can use your own. So let's see the output here. I'll zoom it. Let's see the output here. So you can see one row is affected. So this green color light right symbol shows that your code was correct and it is executed. So if you refresh the schema tab here, you can see the database which we created right now. So currently it is not in active stage, so in order to active it, we'll use command use. That's it. So it became bold now, that means so currently this database is running. So you can see various options here. That means tables, there were no tables here because we just now created the database. Okay, create a table now. So let's create it. Let's create as a demo. So along with that, we need to give the column names as well while creating the table. Suppose we'll create as a name. So this will be the column name, and you need to give the data type as well. So I'll give it as varchar. 20 means up to 20 letters, because there is a difference between char and var. Char, it occupies the more space, even the letter or even uh, the particular row is in small size or small letters or a small size or with the limited letters only, but it occupies more space. If you give varchar, it will give you the 20 liters or this much of space to your value. So obviously you will save the remaining space. So that's why we use varchar most of the time. And id, so this will be the int data type. And marks, okay, this will be the again int. Okay, yeah. So always it is a good practice uh, to end a code with semicolon, because you can see so the MySQL will suggest you the table names or any column names when you're trying to type the first letter of that. See, suppose if you want to insert into table, okay, and the values would be name, id and marks. Okay, now values. So I will give the name as Srini and id as 1234 and the marks will be suppose 90. Okay, I'll end it and that's it. Okay, you can see here one row is affected. That means you can see the table here and the column as well. These are the columns. If you select the table name here, you can see the data types. We have only 3 columns here, so we can able to see all the columns, but in real time we have a number of columns. So if you want to see all the columns which are available in the table, if you click on this, you can see that. Okay, so data, we have successfully entered the data into table. Let's see here. So it is suggesting the select command. That is why I suggest you to end a code with semicolon. Select star from demo. Yeah, you can see. So this is the column names and the row which we entered. So you can enter n number of rows again. Suppose we need to and the 5 will be the one. Let's enter it and see. Okay, this is how you create a table and enter the values into the table. And let's see if you want to add the column. So this is the insert command or insert uh, code of line which we use to insert the values. But in real time we will create different types of code lines here, but some people may not understand when they are reading that. So in order to avoid that confusion, so you may write here the comments starting with hash. You should use hash for single line of comment. Suppose inserting values, that's it. Yeah, okay. So if you want to use 2 lines of comment, you can use hash dot, suppose inserting comments, suppose. Yeah, and you should always end the comment section as well. Okay, so this is how you create a table and insert the values into the table. If you want to drop a table or delete a table, you can use here right clicking the table name, or else you can use command drop table name. You can also use like this also. And so one more thing I wanted to tell you. So if you drop the table, so the entire table will be deleted, or else if you want the structure of the table, you only wanted to delete all the rows at a time, so then you will use truncate table name. So if you use truncate, then all the data will be deleted at a time, and but you the structure of the table will be remain. Let's see. Let's see, the structure of the table will be remain same. So for fast deleting rows, we'll use truncate, and to delete or to drop entire table we'll use drop command. And yeah, thank you for your time. If you liked my video, please like the video and share the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.